Hello student, welcome to Standard 9th History and Geography, History and Political Science. In this chapter, third, India and internal challenges, we are going to learn how India were facing so many different problems and challenges and how it came overcome over it, and the problems are some problems are still continuing. So let us begin with the first problem, first challenges before India, the unrest in Punjab. Akali Dal was the major political party in Punjab. In 1973, the Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution. The following demands were made in this resolution. Number 1, Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. Now, Chandigarh is by itself an union territory. Then it's the capital of Punjab and Haryana. So, Punjab were asking a separate Chandigarh as a part of Punjab. Second thing, their demand was the Punjab speaking part in other state should be included in the state of Punjab. Wherever the Punjabi speaking people are there, they should be part of Punjab. Number 3, recruitment of people from Punjab in the Indian army should be increased. So recruitment is done, and more Punjabis should be added in Indian army. And fourth, more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. So autonomy means more power should be given, and autonomy means one person ruling the state. So Punjab wanted more power for them. So this was the demand made by Anandpur Sahib resolution in 1973. In the following year, after 5 years, 1977, the Akali Dal came to power in Punjab. While taking charge, they asked for a large share of river water for Punjab. So Punjab has a river Satluj, and on these Bhakra and Nangal projects are being built, and they wanted more water from this project. Then next, their demand was the holy city status for Amritsar. So Amritsar has the Golden Temple, and therefore Amritsar, the whole city, should be considered as holy city. So, and some other old demands were also made. In the year 1980, the movement for independent Khalistan took root in Punjab during that period. So by now they wanted to have a separate state, separate from India, and to become a Khalistan, like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Khalistan for Punjab. During that period, the leader of the Akali Dal was Sant Hari Charan Singh Longowal. And here, this Longowal used to direct his activists from the Golden Temple to stage protest. So people started protesting against the government. On the other side, the Golden Temple armed followers started gathering around the staunch Khalistan supporters, Sant Jalinder Singh Bhindranwale. So the sort of terrorist enter in the Golden Temple, Bhindranwale, and he started demanding a separate Khalistan. During that period, terrorist activities had begun. Bhindranwale was arrested in 1981 and he was accused of the murder of newspaper editor Lala Jagat Narayan. After these incidents, the situation worsened. Due to these developments, President rule was imposed in Punjab in the year 1983. Bhindranwale went to stay at a religious place called Akali Takht. Bhindranwale's followers captured the Golden Temple and built a barricade of sandbags over there. So it became almost like a battlefield. The area looked like a fort. This greatly disturbed the peace of Punjab. It was a major challenge to Indian democracy. Therefore, what Indian government has to take action was taken, and that was considered as Operation Blue Star. The main task of getting the terrorist out of the Golden Temple was ensured to Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. So he was a military general and he was told to do this operation and see that all the terrorists are either caught or they are sent out of the Golden Temple. On the morning of 3rd June 1984, the mission Operation Blue Star started. The operation ended on 6th June. Within 3 days it was ended. In this military operation, the Indian Army functioned with great restraint. So for them it was very painful to do this operation, and very slowly they have to go forward. The operation ended with the death of Bhindranwale and other terrorists. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against terrorists in the Golden Temple. So it was once again this operation was done. It was called as Operation Black Thunder. So first we have studied Operation Blue Star under the guidance of Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. Now in the year 1986, operation was started, and it is called as Operation Black Thunder. So after this action was taken, the process of establishment of peace in Punjab picked up a moment, and what people want is peace. So the peace was started, the movement was started for peace in Punjab. In this way, the unrest Punjab was calmed down by military force, by the action, and then Punjab remained as a full-fledged state, one of the state of India. In this way, we have seen the first challenge which Indian government faced during 1973 till 1986. Thus, peace was established in Punjab. So, in this first part, we have seen the unrest Punjab, how Punjab were demanding constantly, and finally they wanted independent Khalistan as a state. Then this was Operation Blue Star was taken by Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. Then Operation Black Thunder was also done, and peace was established in Punjab. Now in the next part, we will study issues concerning Northeast India. Till then, have a nice time. Good day.